Claude helps me run a 7-figure agency with 0 project managers, and honestly, things have never run smoother. What I noticed is that every project manager I ever had was spending about 80% of their day doing the same thing. They were mostly like scanning emails, updating task lists, chasing people for updates, writing weekly reports. Like honestly, nobody really reads properly anyway. So like out of an 8-hour day, 6 hours of it was just that, like every single day. And then they'd have maybe an hour or 2 left for the stuff that actually mattered, which was like the client conversations, the priority calls, the fuck everything's on fire, what do we do moments. And so I asked myself a question, like what if AI could just do the 6 hours? Like not the judgment calls, not the client stuff, the hard conversations, the content creation, the strategy calls, the dealing with other team members, but just like the scanning, the updating, the chasing, the reporting. Because like, that's not really project management, right? That's just data entry with a fancy title. And so it got me thinking, like, what do we need to build here at the Attention Seeker? So we've built or been building an AI that reads every email in our business, like every Teams message, every calendar invite, every meeting transcript. And then every morning it tells each person on the team exactly what they need to do. So like what's due, what's behind, what needs their attention. So that nobody has to update a spreadsheet, nobody has to check a task board, fucking Kanban boards. The AI just handles it. And so now what I hope for our people is that they can spend their whole day on the stuff that actually moves things forward. So client calls, strategy sessions, solving real problems, not just like copy pasting between tools, because honestly, like there's no value in that. Our customers are not paying for that. We're still building it. It's not perfect yet. But the shift in thinking has already changed everything. And tomorrow I'm rolling out with the team everything that they can do now. They're like handing over. So the senior leadership team's had a lot of it for a while, but the rest of the team is going to get their hands on it. They might break it, but fuck, that's half the fun. If you want to see exactly how I'm building this, then just comment webinar and I'll send you the link to register for Wednesday, 15th of April. Come along, hear us go through it all and see if you can set it up for yourself.